Watch yourself. I don't need to do that. It's fucking full. Why is it sticking?
Here. You want to put that over? Oh, here, dude. I got mine.
That's fucking garbage. This is bullshit, Ian. What the fuck happened to this truck? It used to run cold as fucking snow. Still runs enough to back your ass over. What the fuck is up, dude? Look at this freaking...
What the fuck? Whoa!
Ian!
Probably your temp gauge is stuck, dude.
Dude, the thermostat's stuck. Look at the line. Over here up.
Alright, give it to me.
Here, I was gonna take the video camera and go back.